Welcome to the Village at Cider Hill, the premier adult community in Old Orchard Beach. The development includes nearly 200 units on 56 pristine acres. It is located only a few minutes from the beautiful 7 miles of sandy white beach, for which OOB is famous, as well as golf courses and other local amenities. Behind me is the clubhouse, which includes both a function room and a fitness center. Condo fees are very reasonable and cover water, trash, lawn, and road maintenance, and of course the upkeep of the clubhouse. Let's go take a closer look at 24 MacIntosh. Built in 2007, 24 MacIntosh Lane features approximately 1,700 square feet of living space. Inside, you'll find a flowing floor plan that includes a 4-season sunroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an expansive kitchen, and a gas fireplace. The single-car garage is oversized and includes a generous storage space. The yard is also quite private and overlooks a wooded area. If you enjoy the outdoors, you have easy access to nearby walking paths. Now that you've made it inside, you'll have noticed the guest bedroom is in front of the condo on your left-hand side. It does have its own private bath also. It is a full bath. The garage, of course, is in front on the right-hand side. Coming into the kitchen, which is midway in the condo, you have a large pantry. Obviously lots of cabinets, Formica countertop. Your washer and dryer are also just around the corner behind me here a bit. Your appliances, your stainless steel refrigerator, your stove, and dishwasher. Pergo flooring flows from the kitchen into the dining area, living area, and into the sunroom. One of the special features about this unit is the sunroom. As you can see, it's nice and bright. It also has private access to the back deck. There's slider doors that you can open or close. And of course, the gas fireplace, which is going to make this entire area nice and toasty. The dining area is adjacent to the living area, and the master bedroom is just around the corner. We end our tour today in the backyard, which also includes a small patio overlooking a stand of tall pine trees. At this time, there are very few condos available at Cider Hill. They typically sell quickly. If you are thinking of this development as your future home, we encourage you to visit in person soon. For additional information, photos, disclosure, and a comprehensive community profile, visit our website, www.mainehomeconnection.com. Until next time, I'm Laura Sosnowski.